Hello viewer, here we will add some text into the design. We will select it and then change the color. So there we have the different options of flag, fish and the rice as well. Twist as well. Bend here. So I will make it done. Here we can change the style of the font. So there are the options we can use for that one. There are the paths